Mixed syllogisms are of dash types. Mixed syllogisms are of four types. They are mixed hypothetical, mixed disjunctive, mixed alternative, and dash. They are mixed alternative, mixed hypothetical, mixed disjunctive, and dilemma. In mixed hypothetical syllogism, dash is the major premise. In mixed hypothetical syllogism, hypothetical is the major premise. In hypothetical categorical syllogism, dash is the conclusion. Categorical is the conclusion. In disjunctive categorical syllogism, dash is the major premise. Disjunctive proposition is the major premise. In disjunctive categorical syllogism, dash is the conclusion, either categorical or disjunctive. In alternative categorical syllogism, dash is the major premise. Alternative proposition is the major premise. In alternative categorical syllogism, dash is the conclusion. Categorical is the conclusion. In a hypothetical proposition, if part is called dash. In a hypothetical proposition, if part is called antecedent. In a hypothetical proposition, then part is called dash. Then part is called consequent. By affirming the antecedent of a hypothetical proposition, we can dash its consequent in the conclusion. We can affirm its consequent in the conclusion. By denying the consequent of a hypothetical proposition, we can dash its antecedent in the conclusion. We can deny its antecedent in the conclusion. The two forms of a mixed hypothetical syllogism are dash and dash. They are constructive and destructive forms. By denying the disjunct of a disjunctive proposition, we can dash the remaining disjuncts. We can affirm the remaining disjuncts. In a mixed disjunctive syllogism, the conclusion is either dash or dash. The conclusion is either categorical or disjunctive. The conclusion of a mixed alternative syllogism is dash. The conclusion is categorical. The conclusion of a dilemma is dash. The conclusion of a dilemma is either categorical or disjunctive. The major premise of a dilemma is dash. The major premise of a dilemma is compound hypothetical. The minor premise of a dilemma is dash. The minor premise of a dilemma is disjunctive. Rebuttal of a dilemma is possible only in case of dash. Only in case of complex constructive form of a dilemma. The disjuncts of dilemma are like the two horns of a dangerous animal. The dilemma can be refuted either dash or dash, either formally or materially. The conclusion of a complex dilemma is dash, disjunctive. The conclusion of a simple dilemma is dash, is categorical. Dilemmas are of dash kinds. Dilemmas are of four kinds. Dash side remains same in simple constructive form of a dilemma. Consequent side remains same in a simple constructive form of a dilemma. dash side remains same in simple destructive form of dilemma. Antecedent side remains same in simple destructive form of dilemma. How many disjunctive propositions are there in a simple dilemma? तार आंसर है 1. How many disjunctive propositions are there in complex dilemma? Answer है 2. How many hypothetical propositions are there in a compound hypothetical proposition of a dilemma? Answer है 2.